They're hoping that you forget, so you get automatically billed the full freaking price. So if you want to get the best bang for your dollar for SiriusXM Radio, this is what you do. SiriusXM Radio only offers, well, they offer 4 packages, but they only let you know of 2, which is XM Select and XM All Access. However, there is a third one, and they don't push this one because this is pretty much the best bang for the dollar, I think. And it's XM Mostly Music. There are 2 news channels with it, BBC and NPR, all right? And those are, and that's the best package, because if you're only interested in music, who cares about sports or anything like that, then this is perfectly fine. The packages are as follows: $10.99, $15.99, and $20.99. However, you can get promotional rates. The $15.99, the XM Select, you can get for $100 a year. All right, that's what you can get it for. Or 6 months for $30 plus fees and taxes. XM All Access is 6 months for $50 a year plus fees and taxes, or $120 for 12 months. Okay? And that's 150 channels. That's everything. News, Howard Stern, sports, the whole thing. The whole gamut. XM Mostly Music is the one they don't push, but it's the best value. It's 2 news channels. It's $60 a year promotional rate, plus fees and taxes, or $120 without a promotion. Now, this is the killer. They are banking on you to forget about your anniversary date of when your package ends. They're hoping that you forget, so you get automatically billed the full freaking price. So how do you prevent that? Set a reminder in your phone to cancel the subscription 2 days prior. You cancel it, and then you go to a separate group of people where you can renegotiate the package again. If you have a trial, 3-month trial in a new car, you can extend that for another 3 months for $2. So these are the things they don't tell you. So, and I want to also show you a script that they use to try to upsell the products. So there are different stages of this script, and you're going to be amazed. So now you'll have the upper hand when they do this. So this is pretty amazing. They will be stopping the auto reminder to cancel XM Radio. So in other words, after August 15th, you will never get another notification to cancel your subscription because they're losing money. So they're counting on you to forget so they can bill you at a regular price. That's what they want. Keep that in mind. Business is business. They don't care. They want you to forget. That is what they are counting on. Hopefully this video was very helpful. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe.